So you join me here to do a little GOCCOPRO project where we're going to print wall art just for fun, and we're going to show you how to stretch a screen, send the artwork, print the job, the full thing. So we've now used a time lapse just to speed through the process for you. We stretch our screen with the rubber beads on our pizza frame, and then we pop it into the QS200, take your artwork, send it through, and it tracks up and down with a thermal head burning the image. There we have it there. And then we did a wee canvas, and we're going to just do a test print, make sure everything's working okay, which we need a hand with that one. So we've got our image out and we just cure it. But then what we're going to do now is add a bit of colour below the bottom half just for the artistic purposes. This is a silver, and we're going to cure it, and then we're going to screen print over the top to give our piece of artwork. So just a wee bit of a different project, but it can be done very quickly, and there we have our finished artwork. Thanks very much for watching.